Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to categorize your transactions on Simple in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time, so let's just jump straight into it. The first step is going to be to log into your Simple account. So go ahead on Simple's website and log into your account using your email address and your password. And of course, if you want to use the mobile app, you can go ahead and do that. Use Simple's mobile app on your mobile device and log in your account from there. Next, when you log into your account, you're just going to click on the transaction button that's in the top navigation bar. And once you've selected that, you're going to select Categorize Transactions from the drop down menu. And next, you're going to select a transaction that you want to categorize, and you can go ahead and choose a category for the transaction, such as grocery, entertainment, transportation, utilities, whatever it is. Go ahead and choose a category for that. And once you've chosen a category, you're just going to confirm the category by clicking saved. And once that's done, that expense is going to be categorized. That's pretty much it on how to categorize your transactions on Simple in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.